Still can't find the dogs, but I found something quite interesting. Ever heard of a cat on a hot tin roof? Here's a chihuahua on a hot tin roof. Look at this shit.
Oh my god!
So
Oh
I
my-
gotta figure
what?
this. I know. Hold on, sweetheart.
Oh my god! Okay, I'll turn you back on in a minute. Oh my, it's getting closer to the edge.
Hello? Is it still there? What's the matter?
Oh my god, don't jump. Please don't jump.
Hold on, baby.
Oh my god, it's freaking me out. Be careful. Be careful. Oh, Randy. Oh, be careful.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh.
Oh, is that a hot dog? Come here.
Oh my god.
Come a little closer. I can help
Be
you.
careful, be careful.
Come here. Come here, honey. Come here. Look, I got a hot dog. Good when I do it. Come on. Come on.
Oh god, yeah.
What is she doing? Come here. Yeah. Come here.
It's crazy, Randy.
Yeah.
Randy, I don't... Shoot. I'm gonna turn this off for a second. Oh my god. Oh.
Okay, I'm sorry. This is Chihuahua on a hot tin roof. The whole name.
Wow. Let's get her back to the car.
Write the address down.
We gotta drive down this street. It's
5342.
5342.